Good morning everybody, in Gilda TV Travel Shop. It's 11 AM and do I have a cracking show for you. If it's the first time, welcome. We come to you with the three best travel deals in the marketplace. The first is a short haul, the second a long haul, the last either a cruise, a bucket list or sport event. These offers come from our trade partners who send them into the team. The team go through, pick the most varied and variety and the best offers. I check it is a hotel that they've stayed at themselves, so they're using good quality accommodation. And last but not least, that your money is protected by either ABTA, ATOL or a trust service. Let's get this show on the road with a cracking first offer. It's a short haul. It comes from the guys and girls at Holiday, the 4- and 5-star holiday experts. And this is a cheeky little break going overseas at an amazing price. This is going to Gdańsk in Poland. It's a place that I've never actually been. I've actually booked somebody this week who's going to Warsaw, and it's got great architecture, lots of history, obviously due to the World War II. It has a long market there, lots of shops, restaurants. So if you want a cheap, quick break, this could be the place for you. It has a unique feel that sets it apart from other cities because it's got a lot of maritime history. So you can go around this Baltic port. The streets are distinctively un-Polish, with all the architecture influenced by the multicultural wealthy merchants who have shaped the history of the town. As I say, lots of elegant buildings. There's an old town. It has cheap beer. It has Polish food, and you've got a lot of history there as well. So many museums to do with the World War. So this is going to be a 5-star stay, and let me just double check. It is on a B&B basis. You'll be staying at the 5-star Gdańsk boutique. It's regarded as one of the best hotels in Tricity and is uniquely located near the picturesque yacht marina in the heart of the city. It's a combination of 70th century flirts renovated with particular attention to detail with its elegance and history. It also has its yachting theme as well, so to give it its feel. It's literally only 3 minutes away from the main heart of the city, so it's a great place to go on there. It's got plenty of bars and restaurants. You've got the first floor restaurant is in the very heart of the city, wide selection of Polish and regional dishes. You've got a cafe there as well. Traditional breakfast, which is includes local products containing bread, salads, fresh vegetables, fruits, organic cheeses, etc., etc. The facilities, it has the finest spa in Gdańsk with 7 salons, a sauna centre with sauna, Turkish sauna, and a saline iodine cave. That sounds a little bit different, and free Wi-Fi in the whole complex as well. It's based on a standard room with internet, so what you'd expect from a 5-star accommodation. Price includes return flights from London, including hand baggage. Regionals are available at a supplement. Standard room, including breakfast, as I say, and extra nights just from £34 per person per night. So this is based on two nights, 2 people sharing. You can go in October, November, and December from only £129 a person. January, February, March from £139 per person, and April for £159. So you fancy a little bit of this, give the number a dial on the screen, hit the inquire now button, that will go through to Hology. Like it, share it, Facebook, give me some Instagram love, subscribe to the YouTube channel, or if you don't fancy this but fancy something a little bit different, go to the website www.TVTravel.Shop, where we've got about 200 offers on there at this precise moment. So we've had an absolutely cheeky little break at an amazing price for our short haul. Our long haul is somewhere that I've never been, and after seeing this, I actually really fancy it. It's somewhere that I actually do want to go, which is the Far East. WWTT Deals have sent an offer in for 7 nights in the Far East, where you're going to be going to Phuket. Phuket is on many people's bucket list. It's stunning beaches, history, culture. Top things to do are the 2 beaches, Akata and Karen Beach, where just stunning. You can go see the Big Buddha. I actually work with the Big Buddha. You've got the Fantasy theme park. You can go into Thanon, Bangalore for nightlife. You've got the Splash Water Park. There's an aquarium. It's just literally, and also the elephant sanctuary. So many people go out to see the elephants. So WWTT Deals have put an offer together where you're going to be staying at the 4-star Marina Phuket Hotel. I'm just double checking, and it is on a bed and breakfast basis. This hotel is ranked number 20 out of 454 hotels in Phuket and is rated excellent in over 80% of its guest reviews. It's a nautical star resort in Patong Beach, so the best beach, great nightlife. It's just like the deck of a cruise liner. Did somebody say cruises? I'm going to be staying here. The rooftop is where it's all at, where you've got a stylish sea view to chill, swim, dine and drink. It has a poolside vibe, does sundowners. Great hotel to go and stay at. It's on a B&B basis. Facilities include 2 infinity rooftop swimming pools. You can keep fit in the body fit room. Maybe the big Buddha should go there. The ocean spa, you've got to have a Thai massage when you go out there when they're going to relax you. All the rooms are deluxe rooms, LCD TV, satellite TV, everything you'd expect from a 4-star. The one thing I haven't told you, it also includes a tour over to Phi Phi Island. Phi Phi Island, I do believe, is the island where Beaches with Leonardo DiCaprio was filmed, and I'm reading it on here. Yeah, made famous in 1999. It's literally iconic. The trees, the rocks, the beaches. You can go exploring Viking Cave and Monkey Bay. You also get Thai lunch included, and then in the afternoon you can go over to Bamboo Island and Koh Kai, where there's plenty of activities on the powdery white sand as well. So a day trip is also included. So what does the price include? Return flights from London including baggage. Regionals are available at the supplement. 7 nights deluxe room including breakfast. Return airport transfers. You can upgrade to private transfers for just £15 per person. A Phi Phi day tour, and if you want extra nights, you can do extra nights for only £20 per person including breakfast. That is cheap as chips. Deposit's £100 per person. So how much is this going to be? So leading prices are coming in January. I lie. March and April from only £899 per person, January and February from £939, November this year from £1039, or December from £1169. So if you fancy going out to the Far East for under £1,000, great hotel, Phi Phi day trip included as well. Give WWTT Deals a call, numbers on the screen, like it, share it, Facebook, give me some Instagram love, subscribe to that YouTube channel, enable notifications to get the best travel deals in the marketplace, or go to www.TVTravel.Shop and see what other offers we got on there as well. So on to my favourite section of the show. Is it a cruise? Is it a bucket list? Or is it a sporting event? It's a cruise, and it's a ship that I've been on. And when I saw this offer, I always do a little bit of research before I come on air just to see whether it's a good deal and just everything else. I'm that close to booking it myself. I might not, because there might be a lot of us going, but there's reasons, a bit of sentimental value to me, which I'll go into in a second. So this comes from the guys and girls at Adore Cruises, and this is a cheeky little break. Taster cruise on the 24th of October 2023 for a 2-night cruise over to Guernsey. Guernsey is where I used to go to on my holiday from literally that big until I was 18 years of age. Went camping over there. I've only been back once since, and it's like got somewhere in my heart that I really want to go back and see. I used to love Guernsey when I was a kid. Lots of lovely beaches. You've got a lot of history there as well. So where they were occupied by the Germans back in the Second World War. So you've got the German Occupation Museum, you've got the secret bunker, you've got the little chapel, you've got Castle Cornet. It's very quaint. St. Petersburg, the capital, is lovely. You've got all the boats bobbing around. You can take a boat trip over to Herm. Herm is the coldest water I've ever been in, by the way. It's just a lovely place to visit. Obviously got the French feel, but it's duty free, so it's English pounds. Great place, and I say I'm that close to booking it myself. And the other thing that I really liked about this offer, it's on an amazing ship, which is the MSC Virtuosa. I won an MFC last year. I'm not going to say too much. Let's roll the video, because I think it will do a lot more justice than me.
A masterpiece stands out among the rest. It's designed to awaken the senses, and touch our souls. It exudes an enchanting beauty and lifts our spirits. It could be traditional or contemporary. Always striking and surprising. But to us, what best defines a masterpiece is a world that encompasses it all. Be the first to discover MSC Virtuosa.
Doesn't MSC Virtuosa look amazing? She wasn't going to be coming back in for 2023, but because of the guest reviews they've had this year, they're bringing her back. Absolutely breathtaking ship, 23 bars and restaurants. You've got the biggest swimming pools I've ever seen on a cruise ship. You've got the big TV, karaoke bar, amazing choice of dining. They've got sports court in there. You've got the simulator, you've got virtual VR stuff. You've got the water slides at the back if you want to take your kids. It is unbelievably good. So this deal, as I say, is going on the 24th of October for 2 nights. You can go per person based on a balcony, including all your food, your entertainment, your tips, and all your drinks at $349 per person. So great deal. If you want to bring your kids as well, they can come at £119 per person. As I say, I'm looking to take a few of us away on this deal. So if you fancy a little bit of this, give Adore Cruises a call, numbers on the screen. Like it, share it, Facebook, give me some Instagram love. Subscribe to that YouTube channel, enable notifications, get the best travel deals in the marketplace. Worst case, or not best case, if you don't fancy that, go to something else. Go to our website, www.tvtravel.shop, to find the best travel deals in the marketplace. Stay safe, see you all tomorrow.